Hello student, in this video we are going to learn your geography chapter number 2 inside our art. Akoigi art sigi manungda kari leige karam posa karam magi structure kamaina tauge haibna chingma mayamduni hoji akona sigi chapter inside our art sida discussion tawduri se aduna mayamuna taro. Now let's start our lesson. The earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. Akoigi homeland oriba earth habase dynamic planet ni ko. Dynamic means suddenly change. Stable oiraga leiba nataba. Yam ikang kanghaudana anytime adum change tawba yaba adugumba makhal haibani dynamic habadi ko. Aduna akoigi planet si yamna suddenly change tawba adugumba planet amani akoigi earth se ko. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Akoigi earth se adum itatatana adum ngasai manung amadi mapan sidai sida itatatana adum ahongba leiba adugumba makhalgi planet amani ko. Aduna hojik magi ngasai changes se kadai degi kadai fauba leino kyam leino haibana chingma mayamdo hojik akoi makha tarakpa sidai sida akoi discussion tawdoini aduna mayam munna taro. Interior of the earth. Akoigi earth ki manung ko aduna sigi explanation hodringaida picture se hana yengo ko. Interior of the earth sigi interior sida kai leigadoino haiba matamda crust haiba maga mantle haiba maga inner core haiba maga leigani ko. Aduna crust haiba sina mathang ithang thangadoini, next mantle lakadoini, aduga last inner core haiba se lakadoini ko. Aduna sigi picture se uba matamda nako idum khara makhaidi khangbadu ngamamani. Aduna hawrsi hojik. Just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Koigi telhouda leiriba ngasai telhougi shape telhouda ngasai mathang amaga nanjanaraga leiriba dumaina akoigi earth sisu akoigi concentric layer with one inside another. Ngasai amaga ngasai layer mathang amaga nanjanaraga shemba adugumba makhalgi planet ni habani ko akoigi earth sisu. The uppermost layer over the earth surface is called the crust. Ngasai mathak ithang thangba akoigi earth ki surface ibu crust haidana kawi ko. It is the thinnest of all the layers. Sagi lairiba layer mayam jing sidagi khwaidagi paba layer neba crust haidise ko. It is about 35 km on the continental mass and only 5 km on the ocean's floor. Sidai sida continental haiba maga oceans haiba maga lakani ko. Continental haiba sina kaino ngasai kangfalgi area. Aduga ngasai ocean floor haiba sina kaino ngasai isingi samudragi lairiba adugumba area jing dubuna ocean floor haigani. Continental haiba sina kangfalgi area ni ko. Aduna ngasai akoigi crust se magi ngasai continent kangfalgi lairiba adugumba area sidana 35 km ni aduga isingi ocean floor dana 5 km khaktang oi haibaduni ko sidai sida hairisa. Aduna somgi picture sida yengo. Sidai sida continental crust, ocean crust haidana larisini. Aduna ngasai kangfalgi oiriba continental crust sidana 35 km oirani aduga ocean floor dana only 5 km ni ko sidai sida harisa. Aduga makasum chatharakpada yengo. The main minerals constitutes of the continental mass are silica and alumina. Ngasai lairiba adugumba continental mass sida lairiba ngasai magi maru oiba mangonda yauriba mineral se kaino haiba matamda mineral haibadi aina mo hanna nakoida tawbe mathau tadre ko. Mineral haibadi nakoi class 3-4 dagi dam tamaga laabani ko. Aduna ai amuk hanna explanation tawroi mineral gi meaning se. Aduna ngasai continental mass sida yamna main oina yauriba adugumba mineral se kaino haiba matamda silica amadi alumina ni ko yaurisa. Aduna it is the called shial haidana su kawi ko. Aduna ngasai shial haibase C haiba maga al haiba maga ani sidagi semgadoini. C sina silica ni al sina alumina. Aduna ngasai shial hairaga su khangnai continental mass se aduga mangonda yauriba main mineral sina silica and alumina. And the oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. Aduga ngasaygi oceanic crust sida yauribasina silica ga magnesium ga. Aduga masina sima haidana kawi ko. Aduna ngasaygi C haibase silica ni aduga ma haibasina magnesium. Aduna ngasaygi oceanic crust sina sima haidana kawi haibaduni ko. Sidai sida harise aduna figure 2.2 sida among yengo. Aduna sidai sida continent, continental crust, ocean crust haidana laire. Then next come to last paragraph. Just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extend up to a depth of 2,900 km below the crust. Ngasaygi crust sigi hek makhada laibsina mantle haidana kawi ko. Mantle gi ngasaygi depth sina 2,900 km. Sibaw ki depth sina mantle oigadoini ko. Aduna ngasaygi crust ki hek makhadagi na 2,900 km. Sibaw na mantle oigadoribani. And then come to your next page. Music nakoigi next page laktrine mamangda sigi mathaki sida important eba part macha ma yaure sima khangjalo ko. The deepest mine prithibida khwaidigi deepest eba mine se kadai da leige haiba matamda South Africa da lei ko. It is about 400 km deep. Aduna sigi matek sima khangjan ba fai question ne lakpa yai ngasai prithibida khwaidigi deepest mine se kadai da leige mahaki depth sina kayano na hangba matamda South Africa oidoini aduga depth sina 4 km haigadorini ko. Then next come to your next page. All of you look here. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3,500 km. Duga khwaidigi manungda leiriba layer sina core haidana kawi ko aduga magi radius sina 3,500 km neba. And it is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called Nife. Saigi hariba masigi core sida magi saigi yauriba mineral se nickel and iron ni ko aduna mahaksibu Nife aduna kawi ko aduna Ni sina nickel ni Fe sina ferrous iron se ferrous haidana su kawi ko aduna ngasaygi Fe Fe sina ferrous aduna ngasaygi lairiba inner core sibu Nife haidana su kawi ko. And the central core has very high temperature and pressure. Aduga khwaidigi manung ithang thangba core se mangondadi temperature amadi pressure se aduki matik wangi haibaduni sidai sida haris. Then next comes to rocks and minerals. Rocks amadi mineral gi matangda akhoi among discussion tawrasi aduna mayamuna yengo. Aduna sigi mayabjingse lakthringi mamangda what origin da hana yengsi ko. Igneous. Igneous means igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic haidana lakani ngasaygi rock ki magi ngasaygi makhal sidai sida aduna igneous haibase Latin word tagi lokthokpani ngasaygi Latin word igneous haibasidagi lokthokpani igneous haibase ko. Aduna Latin word ignis haiba ngasaygi Latin word se sidagi lokthokpani igneous se meaning na fire haibani aduga sedimentary sisu Latin word tagi akoigi sedimentum haiba Latin gi word sidagi lokthokpani masigi meaning na settle down phamtharaba haibani ko. And then next metamorphic sichina ngasaygi Greek word metamorphos haibase sidagi lokthokpani meaning na change of form mai ngasaygi mawong hongdok hongjin naiba haibani metamorphic aidan hairisina. Then comes to rocks and minerals. The earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Koigi earth ki crust se makhal makha nung makhal kaya marum amana semba adugumba layer ne haibani koigi earth ki crust se ko. Any natural masses of mineral matters that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Rock abadi kaino haiba matamda akoigi earth ki crust sibu semakpa adugumba any mineral matter mineral yauba adugumba posak akoigi natural dagi oina fangjarakpa artificial nataba akoigi natural dagi fangjarakpa mineral chenba adugumba akoigi earth crust sembada yauriba any posak any matter dubuni rock aidana haise. Rocks can be of different color, size and texture. Aduna ngasaygi earth crust sembada yauriba natural masses of mineral matters mineral yauraba adugumba akoigi natural masses ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯦꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯔꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯂꯔꯗ, ꯁꯥꯏꯖꯇ, ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯆꯔꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯂꯔ, ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯖ, ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯆꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ꯫ And there are three major types of rocks. ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯁ 3 ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ꯫ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ 3 ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯩ: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ igneous rockꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ꯫ When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Molten magma ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ molten magma, ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ molten magmaꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯦ solid ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ, ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ꯫ And rock thus formed are called igneous rock. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ molten magmaꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ igneous rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ꯫ And they are also called primary rocks. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ igneous rockꯁꯤꯕꯨ primary rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ꯫ And there are two types of igneous rock. igneous rock ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ primary rockse ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ 2 ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ꯫ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ, ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ intrusive rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ extrusive rock, intrusive rockꯀꯤ in ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ extrusive rockꯀꯤ x ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯈꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ igneous rockꯇ ꯃꯈꯜ 2 ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ: intrusive rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ extrusive rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ꯫ And then look here. Lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ lava ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ? ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ red molten magma ꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ꯫ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ interior earthꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ earthꯀꯤ surface ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ molten magma ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ lava ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ꯫ When this molten magma comes out on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ molten magmaꯁꯤꯅ, molten lavaꯁꯤꯅ earthꯀꯤ surfaceꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯒ ꯏꯈꯪ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯟꯖꯟꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ꯫ And rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rock. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯪꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅ extrusive igneous rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ꯫ ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯪꯖꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯟꯖꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯣꯛ ꯃꯈꯜꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅꯤ extrusive igneous rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ꯫ They have a very fine grain structure. ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ, ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯞ ꯅꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ structure ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ꯫ For example ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ extrusive igneous rockꯀꯤ example ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ basaltse example ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ the Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ Deccan Plateauꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ basalt rockꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ plateauꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ Deccan Plateauꯁꯦ extrusive igneous rockꯀꯤ example ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏna ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ꯫ And sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ molten magmaꯁꯦ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯕꯤꯗ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯅ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯪꯊꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯕꯤꯗ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ cool down ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ solid ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ earth crustꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨꯅ intrusive igneous rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ꯫ And since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯊꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯏꯪꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ grains ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ mahakna form tawe haibani ko. Aduna for example granite se intrusive igneous rock ki example amoina piba yare sida hari se grinding stone used to prepare paste or powder of species and grains are made of granite. Aduna ngasai grinding stones akoina ngasai spices adutagidi grains sigumba mayam jingse takhaiba matamda akoina kari sizinage haiba matamda granite sizinayeba. Aduna granite se grinding stone oina sizinabada yamna kanaba adugumba makalgi nung amani haibani ko sidai haise maramdi kaino madi ingba matamda yam tapna ingbanina achau chauba grain kaya marum ama form tawebo jiki hariba makalgi intrusive igneous rock sidai aduna example oina granite sini aduna makoidi grinding stone oina use tawbada yamna helpful oiba adugumba makalgi nungni haibani ko sidai harise. And then next, it is the second type of rocks. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. Ngasai nung jingchina awang badagi anembada sum ondharakpa adudagidi crack sum chatkiba adudagidi amaga sum thomjanarakpa sidaisida adudagidi mathang sum chendharakpa sidaisida machet makai kaya marum mama makup loinamak kairamme haibani nung achau chauba jingse, and these smaller particles are called sediment. Aduna achaubadagi kelakpa sigumba machet makai makup mata mayam jingsibu sediment haidana kawi ko, and these sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. Aduna sigumba sediment mayam jingsibu wind amadi water gi matengna puraga lakadoini jaga amadagi jaga amada, and these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. Saigi wind amadi water na puraga laiba adugumba sediments mayam jingse jaga amatangda pulap tasallaga maje compress pulap namjangadoini aduga kanjallakadoineba koigi makal makha kayagi layer of rocks nungi layer ama semnanaba maje ngasai wind amadi water na puraga lakpase jaga amada tasallaga maje compress tawdoini namjangadoini aduga kanjallakadoineba nung ama form tawnanaba, and these types of rocks are called sedimentary rock. Aduna ngasai adugumba nungdagi ngasai machet kairaga nungsit amadi isingi matengna puraga laaga jaga amada tasallaga namjallaga leiraga madudaiduda kanjallaga olakhiba makhalgi nungdo adubu sedimentary rocks haidana kawi ko. For example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. Aduna for example oina akoina sandstone je lawba yai. Sandstone je kaidagi semge haiba matamda grains ki sand ko ngasai sengi ngasai leiriba adugumba sandstone je kaidagi semake haiba matamda sengi magi ngasai grains makup ngasai sendagi tholakpa adugumba makup mata ngasai magi grains se adugi ngasai sendagi tholakpa adugumba grain mayam jingse sidagi semba makhalgi nungneba sandstone haidana haise. Aduna for example, sandstone is made from grains of sand ko ngasai sendagi tholakpa magi ngasai grain jingdo adudagi sengba adugumba nung makhalni masigi sandstone haidana harise. Aduna sandstone se is a good example of sedimentary rocks, and these rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once live on them. Aduna ngasai sedimentary rocks sidaisida madi ngasai plants jingsigi fossils adudagi animals jingsigi fossils adudagi microorganisms kaya marum jingsigi fossils pakhoidi yauramba yayeba. Ngasai leiriba adugumba jaga sidaisida leiramba plants, animals adudagi microorganisms sigumba kaya marum jingsigi makoigi fossil jingsu yawe haibani ngasai sedimentary rock jingsida side. And then next comes to last type of rocks. We have already know what igneous rock is, what sedimentary rock is, and now come to metamorphic rock. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. Ngasai igneous rock amadi ngasai igneous rock amadi sedimentary rocks mayam jingsina ngasai great heats and pressure ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ igneous ꯑꯃꯗꯤ sedimentary rockꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ pressureꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ igneous rock ꯑꯃꯗꯤ sedimentary rockꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ metamorphic rock ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ pressure-sꯤꯅ igneous rock ꯑꯃꯗꯤ sedimentary rock-ꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ metamorphic rock ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ for example ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ clay ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ pressure ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ slate ꯑꯣꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ limestone ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ pressure ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ marble ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ igneous ꯑꯃꯗꯤ sedimentary rock ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ heat ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ pressure-ꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ metamorphic rock ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ third type of ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ last type of rock-ꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ change ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. Before coming to your next page, now look here, fossils. The remains of the dead plant fossils ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯖꯤꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯖꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ fossils ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ. fossils ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯖꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ fossils ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. Then come to your next page. Rocks are very useful to us. ꯅꯨꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ. The hard rocks are used for making roads, houses and buildings. ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ, ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ. And we use stones in many games. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ. For example, 7 stones, ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ hopscotch, 5 stones ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯁꯤ. Now look here. You will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ another type ꯑꯃꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ certain conditions ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕ conditions ꯈꯔꯗ cyclic manner ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ change ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ. ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯔꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ types of rockꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯑꯃꯗ condition ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ cyclic manner ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ change ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. And this process of transformations of the rock from one to another is called the rock cycle. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ type ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ type ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ change ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ cyclic manner ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ typeꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ original typeꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ type ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯒ form ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ form ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ change ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ process of transformation ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ rock cycle ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. You have already learned when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ. molten magmaꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯪꯊꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ igneous rock ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ. And these igneous rock are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ igneous rockꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯀꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ wind ꯑꯃꯗꯤ waterꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯅ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ harden ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ sedimentary rocks ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤ. And When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. Aduga ngasaygi igneous amadi sedimentary rock sidaisida akanba heat amadi akanba pressure pisalaba matungda makoijingdubu metamorphic rock ta amuk ongadawrine. And the metamorphic rock which are still under great heat and pressure melt down to form molten magma. Aduga ngasaygi metamorphic rock tudayduda akanba heat amadi pressure amuk kapiraba matungda mahakse amuk mahi loinamang langthokrani aduga molten magma amuk ondorine. Aduga amuk ngasaygi molten magma sina mahaksina amuk earth crust ki mapanda natraga earth crust ki manungda ngasaygi mahi sina amuk phamjangrakanda abuk maase igneous rock amuk ongadorine. Aduna sumai tawdana ngasaygi magma sina igneous tagi sediment tagi sedimentary rock adudagi di ngasaygi sedimentary rock amadi ngasaygi igneous rock sina amuk metamorphic rock adudagi di amuk metamorphic rock tagi amuk magma sumai tawdana ngasaygi rock amadagi amada sum cyclic manner da sum change tawraga lakpase masibu kari kauge haiba matamda rock cycle haidana kawi haibani sidaisida harise. Aduna masigi chart sima yengo sigi chart se important oire sigi chart se yengbada nakoi khara nakoi loinamak bab tarani haidana aina khali ko. Aduna sigi chart sima yengo sigi chart si uba matamda magma dagi igneous rock dagi sediment dagi sedimentary rock aduga ngasaygi igneous amadi sedimentary rock dagi metamorphic rock dagi amuk magma dagi amuk igneous sumai tawdana cyclic manner da rock ki ngasaygi magi form se amadagi amada sum change tawbasibuni rock cycle haidana hairisi. I hope you all understood up to this. Then come to your next page. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Rocks se makal kayagi minerals kaya marum mamana sembani ko. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical compositions. Aduna mineral habase kaino naturally occurring substance neba koi nature oina semakpa adugumba posak amani minerals habase madudaiduda kai yawgadagi haba matamda akaknaba physical properties yawgani aduga definite chemical positions loinamak yawgani ba minerals insidai aduna mineral habase naturally oina lairakpa adugumba substance amani mangonda akaknaba physical property yawgani aduga definite chemical composition amamam loinamak yawgani habani sidai harise. And minerals are very important to humankind. Koi mioiba jingsida minerals habase yam important oi habani ko. Some are used as fuels. Sahi mineral khara amadi akoina fuel oina use tawba yawi. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum. Makoidi akoina fuel oina use tawi ko. And they are also used in industries. Aduga mineral khara amana akoina industry da sijanabasu yawi. Samna harabada iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizer, etc. Aduna ngasaygi lairiba aduguma makhalgi minerals akoina industry da oina use tawba akoigi ngasaygi lairiba iron, aluminium, gold, uranium makoidi akoina industry da use tawi aduga karigumba matamda akoina minerals jingsibu akoina medicine oina sijanabasu yawi aduga fertilizer oina sijanabasu yawi habaduni sidai haise. Aduna lairiba makhal makha kayagi mineral mayam jingsida akoina fuel oina sijanaba minerals adum yawi. Samna harabada coal, natural gas, petroleum makoidi akoina fuel oina use tawi aduga karigumba matamda minerals jingse akoina industry da akoigi samna harabada iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. makoi jingsidi akoina industry da oina sijanai ko. Aduga ngasaygi fuel jingse industry da khaktang use tawbada natana medicine da su akoina sijanai aduga fertilizer oina su akoina sijanai haibani adugumba mineral mayam jingse. So student, with this we have completed your chapter number 2. I hope you all understood what we have learned or what we have explained so far. Your remaining chapters will explain in upcoming videos.